Here introduce the new design base and the solution for A2 size printer. It supports Epson, P600, 3880 and several other models. This new base uses the mirror stainless steel. It's very strong. The T-shape platen uses the industrial aluminum. It's lightweight and strong. This platen can be removable. There are 4 holes in this moving plate to lock this T-shape platen. User can manually turn the special screw to lifting the bottom up or down. This base is one button control friendly operation. Click it, the tray will move inside. Click it again, it will move outside. Every base it has the sitting hold in the 2 sides. They used to fix the printer legs. Every base we provide the electronic board to install in the modified printer. This is the microchip controller, electric board. It communicates both with the base and the printer. Users no need the electronic technique, no need the welding skills. Just use your finger to plug in these cables and connect them. Then the DTG machine will finish. We also provide the modified printer videos and the RIP software. This is our A2 size and that one is the smaller, is A3 size.